here's a look at the NFL offices, how they're taking shape. You can see some of the bigger bottom glass here. Taking shape. And then we've got this parking structure here to the right of it. And then blocking what would otherwise be a nice view of the stadium. Nice palm trees in a row. Another entry point. This one probably being a main entrance to get into these offices. There's going to be some commercial offices as well as NFL business. Whole other plot of land here for development. Not sure if this is going to be part of the residential. Somewhere along Prairie that should be happening. Yeah, I'm taking a look here in the corner of Hardy and Prairie at some of the construction going on for the commercial aspect. This Bernhard's, I believe they're working on some kind of a parking structure. Lot L. Not sure what that means. They're starting to get fancy here with this little nice piece here on top of the walls around the perimeter of the stadium. Got Mr. Crane out here today taking care of final tower crane that was on the NFL building. It's being disassembled. One of the entries here with palm trees, and you can see in some more, I think there's supports for parking lots. And these structures throughout, they're over on Century, they're over on Prairie, so eventually you're going to start seeing signage for whatever parking lot that you want to park in, as far as your seat location and that being related to how close you want to park to it. Some more pretty trees going in. More landscaping plants waiting to go in. Prairie is still pretty jacked up, a lot of construction going on. Of course, we got crazy friggin' wind out here again, so I haven't been able to get a fix yet on camera mic as far as muffling the wind. Walls are continuing to develop over there in that performance venue section over here in the stadium. See the crane out there used for hoisting up some of the ETFE, and they're working on that basically in between the stadium roofing and the American Airlines part. So there's like a little ring section in between those two that they've been, it's a pretty hard area to get to too, because it's like way in the middle top of the stadium. So crane's down for now. It was up earlier today. I didn't get to see it in time. ETFE continues to fill in here on the north end. So just got a few more bare spots. To go. See a couple of these towers that are being placed. There's two of them here. Signage, I presume, for different areas of parking that you need to be directed to park in relation to your seating. I think they already have that going up in Allegiant Stadium, so it'd be nice to see that develop hopefully soon out here. Signage can go up on the top there. It's like some piles of, I don't know, mulch or soil for some more of the landscaping. A lot of extensive landscaping going into this site. It's one of the two railway staircases. Still slowly being developed. You can see this white tarped up object, which I think is another piece of the signage as far as giving you directions, mapping out what part of the stadium you want to get to, or other areas of this future site for that matter. That's another one. Looking at maybe some of the suites. Unbelievable. Alright, got a lot of the rails in there. Help you up or down to your seat. See this interesting fixture they've been working on there, that broken rock. I've seen it on the webcam in the west cam. You can see that HVAC building that was damaged, as good as new now. There's one more column here. Still got that concrete freeway support look to it, but there is a elevator attached to it, so it's probably gonna be one of the last ones that they're gonna paint. So they're through with that elevator. And the other railed walk stairway. And same looking canopy. inside the NFL building. Alright, as always, thanks for watching.